Alright everybody, so did a bunch of research online. I have a 2003 Silverado here, whoops, where I'm trying to add remote start system to it. They have the little $50 little bypasses and all that stuff, but you can also do it really cheap. So after a bunch of research and not really many videos that I'm able to find, I finally figured out how to do it. So as you see, everything's all ripped apart, plugged in. There's various videos. I found a great guy who had an awesome explanation on how to plug these in, but I'm gonna give you a quick little rundown on how to bypass the Passlock 2 system. So, got these three little wires right here. These lovely little guys. This is your Passlock. Has a certain ohm value in it that keeps the vehicle from starting. As you can see, I have already I have already cut this and spliced into it. Long story short, I used the wrong resistor and ended up with issues. But the easy way to do this is you got to splice into the black wire here from up here. Splice into the black wire. I just used the tap. What are those? Yeah, little taps. Various different ways you can cut it, splice it, whatever. I just used that. It actually just worked. And I found the exact resistor I needed. But long story short, you take the wire coming from the lock and your ground, and you ohm it out. You turn the key on, you can hold it, it's going to run 2 or 3 times, and just whatever the reading is should be the ohms required. Then you just got to find a resistor. Mine came out to 4.7K right there. That's a 4.6 something K. I think it's 4.7K. I just plugged it in. As you can see, it's only ghetto rigged, but I got my keyless entry. You heard the click. Also, no security light. Yes, I have bad ABS. I tore them. But there it is. And then just click the brake. There it goes. So hopefully that helped you guys. Yeah, just pretty simple. Now I'm gonna go make all this look really good. Yeah, I'm stoked. I don't have to spend 50 bucks on a bypass lock when all you have to do is add this little guy. Will help with a lot of the scenarios where the tumblers are all destroyed and whatnot. There's various different fixes, but I didn't see any for my specific vehicle, and after a bunch of research, finally figured it out. So thought I'd pass that on, and hopefully you guys enjoy.